Your iPad has a built-in feature that allows you to track it if your iPad ever gets lost or stolen. And I'll show you two ways to do this. We'll first track this iPad by using my other Apple devices, and then do it without for the folks who don't own an iPhone or anything like that. First things first, for any of this to work, you need to have the Find My iPad feature enabled. The toggle for this is under Settings and from there under your iCloud profile. I believe it's usually on by default, but if you've turned this off, the tracking will not work. Now let's say my iPad gets lost. If I own another Apple device, whether that's a Mac or an iPhone, I can take that device and hop in the Find My app. From there, under the Devices tab, I can see the location of my iPad and all the other devices that are logged into my Apple account. I can choose my iPad from the list, and I'll see a precise address, current battery level, and I can do things like play a sound on it or mark this iPad lost. Putting it in lost mode will lock it and allow you to add a message with a phone number to the lock screen. If the iPad is turned off, you'll see the last known location. I zoomed out my map view because I don't want to show my home address to everyone, but the location tracking through this app is usually very accurate. So accurate that it can tell the house number where I'm currently at. If you don't have another Apple device, you can still do this. You'll just need a computer, phone, or tablet with an internet connection. You'll go to iCloud.com and log in with your Apple account. If you're able to log in, you can then open the Find My app in the browser and use it to track your iPad. Depending what device you're using to do this, you might get stuck at the two-factor authentication screen. It'll ask you to enter the code that was sent to your device, but for some users, this is the device that's currently lost. If that's the case, you can use the Find Devices button below to track your iPad. This allows you to use the tracker without having to access all your iCloud data. After that, you have all the same controls I showed earlier. You can play a sound, put the iPad in lost mode, or even erase it as a last resort. And that's how you track your lost iPad. Click that like button if this helped you, and let me know how your iPad tracking goes. I hope you're able to find it.